Hiya, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a little bit of a different video for me today. I'm going to do my gel nails. So I got this gel nail system that I wanted to go ahead and do for you on camera. So this is the Perfect Summer Soak Off Gel Polish. I got it off Amazon and I'll link it down below for you. So I have the directions here. So it says that I need to buff my nails, so I got a nail buffer. It also mentions on here, no, I'm sorry, I think it mentions on here. Nope, it mentions on here. Okay. So it mentions on here to clean off each layer with alcohol. So I got these little alcohol pre-pad. I got these alcohol preps pads from Walgreens. They're like in the first aid aisle, but I was like, okay, we'll do that. I got my base coat, my top coat, and my nail polish. And then I also got the little UV thing, that UV, what is it called? The UV, my LED and UV light right here. I'll also link that down below for you in the description box. Okay. So this is the first time I've ever done gel nails by myself. So I'm sorry for just having my hands in the video. So hopefully this is okay. And we're going to get going. Okay, I'm going to show you the directions one more time. Those are the directions I'm going to be following. So I'm going to take my nail buffer. I just got this cheapo one at Walmart. And I'm going to take the medium grit to shape nail size, because it says to gently buff the surface of the nails so they're not shiny and smooth. So we're just going to kind of buff them out a little bit. And let's hope this goes well, you know? Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my alcohol pads. I don't know how many of these I'm going to actually need, but I'm going to take one for now. I have a whole box next to me. And I am going to just go over each of them to make sure, first of all, that all that dust is off. And second of all, that my nails don't have any excess oil on them. I learned this when I did press-on nails, is that they give you like a little nail polish remover pad so that they can make sure that they can make sure that there's no nail polish on there and that they're nice and dry, which, okay. I probably should do my cuticles, but I don't have anything for my cuticles, so, oh well. Okay, so they're not smooth and they're not shiny or smooth. Okay. First thing we're going to do is take this Gel-Len Soak Off Nail Gel Color Favors Base Coat. I don't know. I'll link like I said, I'll link everything down below. So they want you to put on each layer and then quote unquote cure them with the lamp. And I'm just going to do one nail at a time. I'm just going to go ahead and put 60 seconds here. The reason I'm doing 60 seconds is I also have this other piece of information. It says, apply base coat, cure with LED or UV lamp for 1 minute or 30 seconds. So I'm going to do 1 minute. So each time I'm going to do 1 minute. This is going to take forever. This is like a real annoying thing, but that's okay. Oh, that was 1 minute. Okay. So then we're going to do the other side. So yeah, doing a coat on one hand and then 1 minute in the little thing. This is why gel nail polish costs so much at the dang salon, I imagine. But I wanted to buy this. Everything was less than 40 bucks because I wanted to see if I could just do this at home, because I'm so lazy about going to the dang I'm so lazy about going to the salon. So I'm like, eh. Alright, so base coat is done. So we're going to do 60, turn this on and do 60 seconds. Alright. Now the next step says to, so now a thin layer of the polish. So this is the polish and they all look exactly the same. They have numbers on the top, 060, so that's a little annoying. So I gotta, you know, I gotta open them every single time I wanna see which one I want. Now for this part, I'm gonna actually take the user manual, put that there so I don't get nail polish. This desk is actually my work desk, so. All right, so one thin layer of nail polish, it says. But yeah, I have they're like mauve-y tones, basically all the ones that I have, mauve-y and a little bit like berryish tones. They're very nice. They're very my colors. This is like a peachy pink. So I guess this isn't considered mauve or berry, but trust me when I say it kind of fits in with the theme that I'm going for. Put that in, 60 seconds. Let's finish one hand before we go on to the next. How about that? Then we're gonna go for a second layer here of this nail polish. I feel like one hand at a time might be a little less grueling, I don't know. Not that this is grueling. Obviously, taking the time to do your nails is a calming thing. Usually you're not talking through it, so usually you're would be listening to music or watching YouTube or something along those lines. So I'm sure that the next time I do this, it'll be fine, but all right. Ooh, that's very pretty. I like that. Okay. All right, 60 seconds. Do I need a third coat? I don't think so. I think it's pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. There's a little speck of something right there that's obnoxious, but that's okay. That's all right. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my top coat. Okay, and this one, I'm glad I looked at my little card here. Oh shoot, it wanted me to do 2 minutes, so let me do another minute here under my, oops. That's okay. That's all right. Okay, now we're gonna do a top coat and then 2 minutes. And then 2 minutes under the lamp. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up my nails here. And I cured them all, so this is the cure. So what I'm gonna do now is, now that I got my top coat on and I put it into the lamp, I'm gonna take my little alcohol pad and just wipe away any of the excess stickiness. Are they perfect? No. Are they dry though? Yes. So that's nice. It took about 30 minutes to do that. Like I said, it's a little time consuming, but I guess so is going to the salon, so. But if you have some music on, or if you, see, I'm not really great at painting my nails, but whatever. If you have some music on or a YouTube video on or something, it's actually kind of cool. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated on how long this actually lasts. So today is the 8th of August, so I'll tell you how long it lasts for me, and then maybe I'll do another video on how to take it off, because it's like, it's one of those ones where you gotta like wrap it in foil and put aspartame in it and blah, blah, blah. So yeah, all right. Well, thank you very much as always for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in my next one.